In case you're planning to skip this video, I suggest you don't, because you're the only one who haven't seen this yet. And this is just me using this opportunity to say I'm grateful for your encouragement. I'm grateful for your show of love. I'm grateful for you being an inspiration to me. I'm grateful for the push. I'm grateful for the motivation. You stopping by week in, week out to watch the videos I post here. I really, really am grateful. And although I didn't get to crush my goals for the year, I believe you did crush yours. And this is just me again saying that don't pack too many goals or don't take too many goals for next year. Just take a handful of the ones you believe you can crush. And yeah, it's the close of 2025 and it's been a great year. It's been an awesome ride. Though I picked up my YouTube channel at almost the end of the year and I'm really loving it. Thank you once again for being an inspiration. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for the likes and the share. I really, really do appreciate. I'm not even going to lie. I really appreciate your effort and your show of love. So come 2026, I'm trusting God to help me to stay consistent, to serve you with the necessary videos you need to see here on this platform. Yeah, and no matter what you do, don't forget to put God first and create again. Merry Christmas to you and your. God bless you.